Fifth instruction from branch group is return. It is return from subroutine. This is unconditional return. The addressing mode is immediate, bytes equal to 3, flags affected none. The first byte of the instruction is always operation code. Similarly, here it is operation code. Whatever number is there represented by stack pointer, that number goes to stack pointer low. Stack pointer gets incremented by 1, and whatever number is there, that number goes to stack pointer high. And the stack pointer gets incremented by 2. As these numbers are stored in program counter, the normal sequence of the execution changes, and whatever the number now present in program counter, from that memory location, the program starts executing. I will read first the explanation and then I will explain it with one example. The content of memory location whose address is specified by stack pointer. Here stack pointer points EF77, whatever number is there, that number. Move to the low order byte of program counter. It goes to the low order byte of program counter. Stack pointer gets incremented by 1. Here instead of program counter, it should be stack pointer gets incremented by 1. And content of that memory location is transferred to high order byte. Stack pointer gets incremented by 1. It becomes EF78. Whatever number is present at that memory location, it is transferred to high order of program counter. Stack pointer instead of program counter, here stack pointer gets incremented by 1. It becomes EF78, and whatever number is there, it goes to the program counter. Stack pointer again increments by 1 and it becomes EF79. Let us understand what exactly happened in this case with one example. The main program begins from 2000. Initially program counter equal to 2000. Here initially program counter equal to 2000. That instruction gets executed. Then program counter increments by 1. It becomes 2001. It becomes 2001. The call instruction gets executed. This is 3-byte instruction. This is 3-byte instruction. Whatever present at second byte and third byte, it goes to the program counter. Therefore, when call gets executed, now program counter becomes DE75. But before that, whatever instruction is present after call from the main program, that number stored into the stack. Already that number is present in stack at memory location EF77. The low order address is there, and at EF78 the high order address is there. When call gets executed, before going 75 and DE to the program counter, whatever the address is there, it is stored in stack, and it is stored in stack. Here at EF77, 04 is there, that is low order address is there, and at EF78 high order address is there. Now program counter becomes DE75, that instruction gets executed, the next instruction gets executed, and when program counter becomes DE78, the return instruction gets executed. and whenever return instruction gets executed, whatever number is present at memory location given by stack, it goes to program counter low. That means PCL becomes 04. Stack pointer increments by 1, it becomes EF78, and whatever number is there at that memory location, in this case 20 is there, it goes to program counter high. Again stack pointer increments by 1, it becomes EF79. Thus here program counter becomes 2004. As program counter becomes 2004, the program starts executing from that memory location. This is the return instruction.